Hey, hi, my friends and well-wishers. So today we are starting a very detailed course of Grafana, which has been requested by so many folks that you have so many videos on Grafana, but nothing in greater detail. So today we'll be starting a new course altogether with everything in bits and pieces, and we'll do everything very big from basics. And this will be the fresh course for 2026, and you can blindly follow this course for more details. So let's quickly understand a little bit, theory on this. How many different flavors of Grafana that is available, which is a special monitoring tool. We have a Grafana open source, which is my, really favorite thing, where you can learn everything about the full stack monitoring without paying a single penny. And Grafana Cloud is something which is, which is being proprietary by Labs, and then normally production load environments are run in Grafana Cloud. Now, what is Grafana Enterprise? Grafana Enterprise is nothing but the on-prem flavor of Grafana Cloud, where there are data restrictions. So Grafana normally install the binaries and take the licensing cost. So it is nothing but the on-prem Grafana. So we'll be targeting everything using open source so that we can run, we can learn all those things quickly, and we'll be starting everything with the Minikube or Kubernetes flavor, because that is easy to do, that is easy for learning, and then we can quickly implement and integrate everything within a fraction of minutes. So we'll be having left hand side, we'll be having a single node Minikube cluster. We'll be installing couple of applications, and then we'll be sending the infrastructure data into Prometheus, and then the logging on Loki, and then the distributed tracing on Tempo, and then ultimately we'll be checking everything on Grafana so that the full stack monitoring is available. So that is pretty much in the first video. I want to make it real quick. We'll get back to the next chapter where we install Grafana pretty quick. So stay tuned for your next chapter. Thank you.